Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best giant yard games that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Costway 4 to Score Giant Yard Game. The Costway 4 to Score Giant Yard Game is a great brain-boosting activity that will serve as the perfect game for individuals for all ages. The set consists of high-quality materials that are simple to assemble, which means that you can set the game up almost anywhere within minutes. Even though the game set is life-sized, it's pretty lightweight, which makes it portable when disassembled. This giant yard game set has an entirely waterproof surface, making it easy to clean and maintain. The edges are smoothed out and the overall structure is quite stable to ensure that players can play without fear of injury. We've chosen this giant yard game as our best choice because of its durability, versatility, ease of use, and most of all because it's a fun game for everyone to play. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yard Games Giant Tumbling Timbers game. The Yard Games Giant Tumbling Timbers game contains 56 solid pine blocks, each of which is sustainably sourced, precision-cut, beautifully sanded, and hand-finished to perfection. The rich tone of the wood highlights its natural grain, and looks and feels gorgeous. The tower starts out at 2.5 feet tall and can climb up to 5 feet depending on the skill level of the players. The total weight of all the blocks combined is just under 25 pounds. Plus, these giant blocks are specially treated to be weather-resistant, which makes them great for outdoor as well as indoor play. The set comes with a premium quality nylon carrying case with handles, which makes it easy to carry to your favorite park and store when not in use. At number 3, we have the Waggle Yard Pong Giant Yard Game. This giant outdoor game set of bucket pong by Waggle includes 12 red buckets, 4 balls, 2 white hollow ones and 2 yellow tennis balls, a black carrying bag, and an instruction manual. The game itself is pretty easy to understand, especially for those who are familiar with the rules of beer pong. The buckets are made of high-quality, extra-thick plastic that is capable of withstanding everyday wear and tear. This game isn't easy to break, which means it can handle some pretty rough use. The workmanship of the buckets is pretty great, too. Their surface is smooth and easy to clean, and their stackable design makes them a breeze to carry to the park or beach. This giant yard game set also comes with a drawstring bag to carry the balls in. At number 2, we have the Rapida Yardzee Giant Yard Game. The Rapida Yardzee Giant Yard Game is made up of giant dice. These durable, easy to store, and fun dice are suitable additions for a number of giant yard games, including life-sized Monopoly or Snakes and Ladders. Each dice is 3.5 inches on all sides and is made of solid pine wood. The markings are burned in, which means that you won't have to worry about them fading with time. The premium quality wood that these giant yard dice are made of is smooth and completely free of splinters. This game is also waterproof, which makes it easy to clean and suitable for outdoor use. The set comes with a collapsible bucket to carry the dice around in as well as 2 different scorecards and a dry erase marker for a quick game of Yardzee. And finally at number 1, we have the Go Sports 4 in a Row Giant Yard Game. The Go Sports 4 in a Row Giant Yard Game offers giant-sized fun in the form of a 3-foot wide and 32-inch tall stand that can be set up indoors or outdoors. The game is made of premium, hand-stained wood, which gives it a nice, polished look. The set includes a case for all the game pieces for added portability. The coins themselves are made of a highly durable plastic that can withstand rough use. If you'd like your game night to be a success, you need to invest in this giant yard game. Not only does it look great, but it's long-lasting and super fun to play with friends and family, whether that's in the comfort of your own home, while throwing a barbecue, or at a picnic.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.